Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. Today we're going to have a look at Biogen, which is of course one of the more important, or at least more well-known biotech stocks that a lot of people seem to focus on. And basically, the stock is at an interesting spot in the sense that it's providing us with one of those follow-through post-earnings moves. Those kinds of trades can be extremely lucrative if we wait for the appropriate time to enter the trade. In other words, we wait for a little bit of consolidation. So if you look at Biogen, ticker symbol BIIB, you notice that the stock is still well trending and basically held its 200-day moving average very well all year, i.e., back at the April lows, and then again in earlier this month. In other words, just about a week or so ago. The stock then really gave us a very nice up gap last week after earnings on the 22nd of July, and the rally came on the 23rd of July. And the stock has been consolidating in a very tight manner over the past few days, and now looks like it's ready to go. It's a very straightforward way to play earnings. In other words, you wait for the stock to report earnings, see if there's a gap to the upside or to the downside. In this case, it was to the upside. The stock then automatically broke past some good resistance, is basing above there now, and now looks like it's ready to go back to the upside. Very simply, what one would do is buy the stock sort of above a close, or once the stock has closed a little bit above the recent range, and use a stop somewhere no more than halfway down the up gap of in this case last week's up gap. In fact, it can be even tighter than that. On the upside, you want to have a target that's a little bit above the all-time high, so maybe somewhere around $360 or something like that. So it's a very straightforward way of playing post-earnings move. They take patience, but they're very high probability once they do set up. Hope this makes sense, guys. If you've got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.